daw yung budget, ano ba yung mga anong take nyo dyan sa mga ganyang
Hindi. Well, sa amin sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, because we want to continue to be professional, hindi na po kami nakikialam dun sa mga, for example, yung mga sulat, no? Yung tungkol dun sa budget natin. Because anyway, the President said that he is going to go over the budget.
Okay.
He promised, in fact, he was supposed to sign the budget into law today. Pero hindi niya ginawa dahil gusto niyang i-review muna at kung meron siyang kailangan ibalik na mga budget ay gagawin niya. So, we have full trust naman dun sa sistema natin.
Okay.
Sa sistema natin.
So it should not be a source of discontent sa mga armed forces, mababang moral, hindi dapat, no?
Hindi naman kailangan maging source of discontent or even concern ito. Meaning, of course, we are concerned about the budget, no? But we trust the system.
Alright.
That is what is important.
Sir, sa command conference ba nagkaroon daw ng loyalty check? Meron bang mga
Wala naman. hindi nagkaroon ng loyalty check, no? What was important in the command conference is that we presented kung ano yung mga naging accomplishments ng AFP all throughout the years, no? Several years. In fact, kinumpare natin yung peak ng New People's Army at 25,200 fighters in the late 80s. Ngayon, 1,000 na lang. So, yun yung present natin kay Presidente. And we presented also our new campaign plan. Yung tawag po natin dun sa campaign plan natin is Tatag Kapuluan. Which encompasses all the operations that we need to do to protect our people and secure the state, secure the land.
Kasama na yung WPS, ano?
Kasama na yung WPS doon, kasama na yung internal security operations pa rin. Dahil kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung operation natin so that we will ensure that we sustain the gains in our campaign.
Sir, sorry, just arrived. Ria Fernandez, TV5. Tanungin ko na natin ulit. Yung sa budget cut na nabanggit po ni Senator Jaime Marcos, what's the stand of AFP there?
Alam nyo, again, because the AFP is a professional organization, we try to keep ourselves out of that, no? Because we trust in the system. At sabi nga ng ating Pangulo is that instead of signing it today, December 20, he will go over the budget at kung meron siyang kailangan baguhin, ay babaguhin po niya. And we trust the President with his powers, with his veto powers.
Sa command of CS, nabanggit ni Pangulo na yun nga, isa sa pag-aaralan na yung budget for the AFP.
Walang nabanggit po na gano'n. In fact, he just gave us his guidance kung ano yung kailangan pa namin gawin, no? So that lalo natin maprotektahan yung ating bansa.
What was the guidance of the President?
Well, to look into cybersecurity, no? Dahil this is becoming a bigger threat to our country. So, dahil medyo pinapalakas natin yung ating cybersecurity, so he asked the AFP to also look into protecting not just the AFP but the entire country when it comes to cybersecurity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Even political average rating, hindi natala kayo sa command conference?
Wala, hindi natalakay yun, ano? Wala, nothing political. Very professional yung naging command conference natin ngayong hapon na ito.
Thank you.
Circulating online para mga dating sundalo calling for the resignation of Speaker Romualdez.
Hindi ko nabasa eh. I'm sorry, hindi ko nabasa yun.
Pero then again, hindi dapat makialam.
Oo, hindi dapat makialam ang armed forces at hindi rin dapat maapektuhan, no, ang mga tao natin, yung ating mga sundalo at ating kawani.